This is how you'll catch all the snails in your garden in one night. It's a natural method that works instantly. I struggled with snails in my garden for years, but after using this trick, they disappeared right away. The preparation takes just a moment. Start by preparing a plastic container, like one from fruit or margarine. The main ingredient is beer. Choose a cheap, dark one. Fermenting beer releases a strong aroma that snails can sense from far away. Pour about 2 cups into the container. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the smell. The next ingredient is yeast. It will kick off the fermentation process. Add 1 tablespoon. You can also add a bit of soy sauce. Its salty taste and aroma will further boost the effectiveness of the mixture. If you want the mixture to be even more effective, peel a cucumber and add the peels inside. It acts as extra bait that snails absolutely love. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let it sit for 30 minutes. Set the trap in the evening, exactly where you've seen snail trails. The smell of fermentation will lure the snails, and they'll crawl right into the container. Change the mixture every 3 days. You'll see results after just one night. Your garden will be safe, and your plants saved.